always mean different things,
Yeah, that's
which might lead to weird situations.
So it's important not to hide from me and open your eyes and be cheerful, okay? So let's look here and I will take the first picture. And the second one and third one. One moment, I will check. And two more. Okay, very good. And last one. Thank you.
Thank you.